Creating a website to promote your business is a crucial step in establishing a strong online presence. Start by defining the purpose of your website, whether it's to sell products, attract new clients, or provide information about your services. Having a clear goal will help you structure your content and design more effectively. Next, choose a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy for customers to remember. Register it through a trusted domain registrar. Then, select a website building platform that suits your needs. User-friendly platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify are great for beginners, while WordPress offers more customization and flexibility for those with some technical experience. When designing your website, focus on creating a clean, mobile-friendly layout that aligns with your brand identity. Include essential pages such as a homepage, about section, services or product listings, contact information, and customer testimonials. Use high-quality images and engaging text to capture visitors' attention and clearly communicate your value. Make sure your content is optimized for search engines by incorporating relevant keywords and phrases. This will help your website rank higher in search results and attract more traffic. Additionally, setting up tools like Google Analytics allows you to monitor site performance and user behavior, providing valuable insights for future improvements. Finally, promote your website through social media, email newsletters, and digital advertising. Consistently updating your site with fresh content and sharing it across multiple channels will increase visibility and help grow your business online.